This quick video is to illustrate the homework problem similar to 11-5 in the text. Kenny Enterprises has just issued a bond with a par value of 1,000, 20 years to maturity, and a coupon rate of 9.1% with semi-annual payments. And Kenny Enterprise is paying the investment banker $25 per bond for its services. Question: what is the cost of debt for Kenny Enterprises at the following market prices? We'll solve A using the MFL Calculator. First of all, number of periods. This is a 20-year bond with semi-annual periods, so the number of periods is 40. What we do with the calculator is we click on 40, it enters in the line above, then we click on N for the number of periods. You can see that it is now shown up in the bar. Interest per year, that is the yield or the cost of debt. We're going to leave that alone. The present value will be entered in as a negative number. The present value is equal to the market price of $966.60 minus that $25 fee, so the company only gets $941.60. So I'm going to click on 941.6, then I click on minus, click again, not taking it. Let me clear it and try it again. Whenever I get frustrated, I click on C or clear entry. I don't reset because that gets rid of everything. I can try putting the minus in ahead of time, but it doesn't usually work. 941.60 minus. There we go. Now, what was that? That was my present value, so I click on present value. The payment is going to be the interest payment that the company will pay each semi-annual period. We calculate that by taking the par value of 1,000 times the interest rate, which was 9.1% per year, or $91 per year, but we divide it by 2 because these are semi-annual periods. So I'm going to put in 45.50 and click on PMT. The future value is the amount that the company will pay at the maturity of the bond. That's $1,000. So I click on 1, oops, see, it just added on again. So now I'm going to clear the entry. Okay, $1,000, and then click on future value. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? But we're not done. We have to enter the compounding periods per year and the payments per year. So we click on 2, I clear entry, 2, compound periods per year. I could enter 2 again, but it's already there. I'm going to click on payments per year. Oop, didn't like that. Try again. 2, clear entries, 2, compound periods per year. I see it go up here. 2, clear my entry, 2, payments per year. Okay, so everything now is the way I want it. 40 periods, 20 years times 2. Present value, that is the market price minus the $25 fee. Payment, that is the par value times the annual interest rate divided by 2 for semi-annual payments. Future value, that's the par value of the bond that will be paid out at the end. Very important to get these compound per year and payments per year set. Now we press CPT for compute, I over Y, and we get 9.77%, which is the correct answer for my finance lab. Your challenge now is to complete parts B, C, and D.